Plan here is just spend a couple of minutes here, about 6 in the evening, and about to go drinking. So I just want to get rid of the rust here. There. I won't even bother bending that out, I'll do that later on. I just want to get that cleaned, and I want to see how much etch primer. I think I ran out of etch primer yesterday. I'll just put on what I can, and if I run out of etch primer, I'll put Ferritan on it, and then I'll just undercoat it. Okay, it's the next evening after the last video I seen. What you missed, I was making room on the camera here, and I just deleted the footage here of last night. I don't know exactly what's on it, but I seen I can wire wheel this, but I just Ferritan that each side. I gave it a quick wash here. It's the next evening now, so all I want to do here today is just give this a quick scuff, get it ready for paint. And tomorrow's Sunday. I can spend the whole day tomorrow at it. So I'm going to do the bumper tomorrow and just try and get a plastic primed. I was just here where this was dented in. There's a big dent there. I don't know if you can see it. On the other side, it's all just filler. I can see why they filled it, because if it's only that little dent, take this whole wing off and breaking nuts and screws and stuff. It's kind of worth just filling it, I suppose. I'm just going to tap that down so you can pop the filler out, and I can refill it again. Just a couple of little spots in places I want to fix as well, like there. Yeah, I'm just going to have a quick go at this here. Put that on time lapse there. I should just kept it on normal video. He's popped out there now. Just all fucking broke and cracked. Be interesting to see how far back that God, I wouldn't have noticed that at all. Be interesting to see how far back that goes. You know what, I might That was all thick with thinner, or filler. Goes all the way back here, but I don't see why, because this line is perfect all the way up here. Let it fill thick back here. Don't need that little dent there, that's fine. And here as well, massive. Stupid. I think maybe this might have been pushed in a bit instead of just grabbing and pulling it out. So much for giving it a quick scuff down, ready for paint. Yeah, I'm guessing, well, this was on the truck when they went to repair it. They didn't bother taking it off because the paint was overlapping here where they had a hard edge. So like all the hardware was still on the truck, like the mirror was here and stuff. But it was only a tiny dent there. There is, you might see me straighten a tiny little one there, and there's an awful small one there. That whole thing was bondoed for, I mean, nothing. We'd been better off not having Bondo in it for the dent that was in it. And they had bonded all this up here, and the line is still here. I can still feel it down to there. It's exactly the same as that one. So I don't know why they bonded all that. And they'd done all that, and then they missed a stone chip here, a stone chip here. You see me trying to chase up here, and I didn't want to go too much because I didn't want to go in too far. And all they did was paint over the stone chip, and it's filled in, and now you can see it. And there as well. There's a small dent there. But grand filling that bit, but there's no point filling all that. It was a fucking waste of time. I put on, you see me putting on, that was wax and grease remover just to wet it to make it look like it was painted. There's no dents or ripples in that at all. It's perfect. So stupid. Right, so I hope there's no damage on that one. So that's what it should have been like. Give this a quick rundown. What I'm going to do, what you see me doing first on this was, oh look at that, was painted as well. Oh no, it wasn't. There's a, see, tear on it. So the first thing I'll do, I'll wipe this down. I'm just going to spray it with thinners. Good standard thinners, and I'll just take all the tear off, just so it doesn't fuck up my sandpaper. Alright, what I've done there, I've just gone around the edges, done all the corners with this this 400. I've only started using them. Comes in this it's 25 meter roll P400. I have a 600 coming. It's coarse with brace with flexi pad. Just comes in them sheets with a bit of foam behind them. It speeds it up so fast. I could have that. I'm just gonna. My plan was just to do this in real time on the video with that flexi pad and go over it, but there's loads of little stone chips here. There's a lot of big scratches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over at 180 and I'm going to high build prime the whole lot, and just to get all that crap out. So I'm just going to do that in real time and see how long it takes instead of fighting with filler. That should be blown down. What I'm going to do tomorrow when I'm doing the bumper, there's loads of bits of filler I need to do in the bumper, so I'm just going to touch up all these while it's in this. I'll give it a quick sand down and then I'll prime it, so these will be out of the way fairly quick. So that's that was 180 I've done, so them scratches are fairly deep there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over with this 400. I'm just going to knock the peaks off all them 180 scratches, so hopefully it'll be down to about 320 or something, you know, a bit finer than that. Couple of marks there. They're just stone chips on the front of it, I think. I can't even feel them, but might put a small little skim just over the whole lot and sand it down. So to tomorrow's video, I'm probably going to edit this. Tomorrow's video will be doing the bumper and plastic spraying for dummies, because I don't really do much plastic spraying. Getting ready for plastic, so I'll see how that goes. I have plastic primer there, so that should sort it out. But yeah, so for Oisin Murphy, I'm going to end the video there, just in case you don't know. And like and subscribe. Cheers.